This is us before the 2024 KM.
Yeah!
We can do this in God's time.
In God's time.
Subida, dapat dito ito challenge, ha?
Let's go for a ride. Let's go! Gosh, good morning, good morning.
Gusto yun.
Time check, it's 3:30 in the morning.
Lagi ko hagita, dali lagi ko istorya hon.
Lolo.
Pag-ingon lagi nga, Bong, kapwede mo.
Last run? Last run? Last run? Last run. Good morning, good morning.
Morning! This is us before the 2024 KM.
Yes! And any last words
Any last words?
for 2024?
Strong finish.
Yes.
Finish guapa. We can do this in God's time.
In God's time. Any last words for 2024? Let's go! Atata?
Sa kay pag-abot niyo diri dapat inyong average nga pace kay 650 to 7. Atong challenge ani dili dapat relax atong flat o atong downhill ang atong subida dapat dito atong challenge, ha?
Almost 4. Let's go. Start namin. Section 4. Pace 650 to 7. Ready na. First, hydration stop. Tapos, alis na ulit. So, it's not gonna be easy. It's gonna be fun.
I want to be part.
You're part of it. Everyone is part of it. Okay, let's go. Second hydration, 5.3 p.m. Sobrang challenging nung route sa packet. Okay pa? Okay pa?
Gibaba na ako. Dagdala akong stick ko eh. Dagdala akong stick. Yeah, gusto ko ipadagan. Gusto ko gyud. Nag-fetch na ha. Fetch eh.
So, umabot si coach. Pampalakas loob. Hello! Sawadi ka! So, kanina, fogs. Kilometer 6. Downhill na tayo, so medyo we get to rest a bit and catch up. Oh, let's go! Okay, sa baba tayo, flat na. We are now entering Star City. Let's go. Star City. Third hydration? No? Third. Okay. So, third hydration. We are at 8.32 kilometers. How are you feeling? Okay, I'm good. How are you feeling? How are you feeling? How are you feeling? Smile na lang.
How are you feeling right now? Feeling good, nakalibang na good.
I'm not feeling well right now.
Diyan minimo ha.
Let's go! Welcome to section 4.5. So we are in the purgatory of section 4 and section 5. Let's go! Okay, we're almost at the turning point. 9 kilometers. So one foot right after the other. So now, uphill baby. Let's go! Group 5. Turning point na sila. Turning point na, group 5. Are you okay? Let's go. Let's go! Turning point, 10 kilometers. 1 hour, 20 minutes. Grabe yung uphill. This is the best part of running. Sunrise na. You can see the mountains, the open road, and of course, the fogs. Happy morning, guys. Happy Sunday. Let's go, halfway.
Umuusok na kayo.
Oh my God. Oh, while waiting, tayo sightseeing tayo dito sa puti na bato. Beautiful, beautiful morning. Ito may mga kasama natin. Oy, let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Ayan na, 12 kilometers. 12 kilometers, let's go see it. 12 na. Relax. 8 more, let's go!
Saman. Kira?
Nice one.
Natis pa siya, nabaklay na. Dali sa kaya sa daw ninyo.
Okay. So, binalikan kami ni Coach. Yung maganda sa group namin. Walang iwanan. Sa lahat matatapos. So everyone improves. Sabay-sabay. Gotta stop to that. Yun talaga habol ng time. So, hindi na talaga tumakbo dito. You get to improve your uphill game. At the same time, enjoy the view. Ito lang yung ano dito. Cha! Kanina, inabol ako ng aso. So, bumalis yung pace natin. Woo! Sabi. Look at that. Look at that. Yan si Coach. Pace sila ni Coach. Ito na. Uphill na. Uphill, baby. Let's go for look at that view.
Basta mga long distance.
Ito yung uphill. So, expectation versus reality. Grabe uphill pero it's getting easier and easier. Basta tuloy lang. Let's go. We just hit the 15-kilometer mark, the farthest I've run in my entire life. Pace natin ngayon, 6:17. Anything beyond this is history. Let's go. We have to slow down a bit kasi may speed limit dito. So 40 kilometers per hour lang. So medyo mabagal tayo para hindi tayo mahuli ng police. At the same time, may motivation dito. KFC. KFC is just 3 kilometers away. Let's go. Let's go! Beautiful. Sunrise na. 3 more kilometers. Let's go! More kilometers downhill na. Sabi sakit. It's morning. Basically a home run. Let's go. 2024 run done. First 20 kilometers. Tapos natin. So that's it for today's video. Always remember, sana ako madami sasabihin. Just always remember, run. to the max. Finish! Finish!
Tubang o buwan.
Finish!
Ayag.
Yes! Finish! Finish! Finish!
2024!